Hello and welcome to Everyday Insights, the podcast where we dive into simple ideas that make a big difference. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we're talking about something we all have, but don't always understand: habits. We'll explore how habits are formed, why they're so powerful, and how small changes can create big results in your life. Let's jump in. What are habits, and why do they matter? Let's start with the basics. A habit is a behavior we do regularly, often without thinking. Brushing your teeth, checking your phone first thing in the morning, or having a cup of tea after dinner. These are all habits. But habits aren't just about routine. According to researchers, nearly 40% of our daily behavior is habit-driven. That means nearly half of what you do every day is on autopilot. Now, that can be a good thing or a not-so-good thing. If your habits are healthy and helpful, great. But if they're holding you back, they can be hard to break. That's why understanding how habits work is so important. And it all comes down to something called the habit loop, a concept made famous by author Charles Duhigg. Here's how it works. 1. Cue, a trigger that tells your brain to go into automatic mode. 2. Routine, the behavior itself. 3. Reward, the benefit you get from the behavior, which helps your brain remember it. Let's say your cue is stress. The routine might be eating a cookie. The reward, a moment of comfort. This loop reinforces the behavior, and over time, it becomes a habit. So, how do you break a bad habit? First, you need to identify the habit loop. What's the cue? What do you do? And what reward are you chasing? Let's say your habit is scrolling through social media late at night. The cue could be boredom or stress. The routine is scrolling. The reward may be distraction or escape. Once you identify the loop, you can try to change the routine while keeping the same cue and reward. For example, instead of scrolling, you could try journaling, stretching, or reading a book. It may not be easy at first, but with consistency, the new behavior can take hold. Another tip is making it harder to do the bad habit. If your habit is snacking, don't keep junk food within reach. If it's checking your phone too much, put it in another room. And finally, forgive yourself when you slip up. Change doesn't happen overnight. Progress is more important than perfection. Now, let's talk about building good habits. Start small, really small. Instead of saying, "I'll work out for an hour every day," try, "I'll do 5 minutes of stretching." Instead of, "I'll write a book," try, "I'll write 100 words a day." This idea comes from James Clear, author of Atomic Habits. He says, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Here are a few tips. Make it obvious. Leave your workout clothes out the night before. Make it easy. Start with habits that take under 2 minutes. Make it satisfying. Track your progress with a habit tracker or calendar. Also, habit stacking works wonders. That means attaching a new habit to something you already do. For example, after I brush my teeth, I'll meditate for 1 minute. That way, you're linking the new behavior to an existing routine. Here's something powerful. Habits shape our identity. Every time you practice a habit, you're voting for the kind of person you want to become. Want to be a writer? Write a little every day. Want to be healthy? Choose water over soda. Want to be organized? Tidy up your desk each night. Over time, these small actions add up, not just to results, but to a stronger self-image. Ask yourself, what kind of person would do this? Then, act like that person, even in small ways. So to wrap up, habits are powerful. They can shape our days and ultimately shape our lives. Start small. Be consistent. Focus on identity. And remember, every small step matters. Thanks for joining me on Everyday Insights. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe and share it with a friend. I'll be back next week with another topic to inspire and inform. Until then, take care and keep growing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and share this video.